and 1 teaspoon of ginger.
That's right, girls. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes or until it's slightly golden around the edges. Cookies are ready. Let's decorate! That looks great, girls. High five!
Oh my!
Thank you friends for watching. I love you a lot. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!